As a developer of Azure Simple Storage Manager and CEO of my company, the qualities that I appreciate most about myself is that as a handicapped developer with autism, I'm able to compete with rival companies and developers and develop quality products that people use and love to use. And my handicap doesn't hold me back. I'm able to leverage my disabilities to be able to continue and move on and keep the company thriving. And my strategy is to keep using it, leverage my disability, and take advantage of it, because like I say, my specialty focus of my disability is technology, and so I constantly read about it and watch videos and things like that and want to learn more about it. And so as the more I learn, the better I become, and the better I become, the better the product is. And so I would say that's the best about me that I really appreciate, and those are the qualities I really like. Hello, my name is John Norton. I'm the developer of Azure Simple Storage Manager. It is designed for CRUD operations on Azure Storage Cloud. It helps the developer or the Azure Storage Manager take care of their storage needs with Azure Storage Cloud. Origination of the app came about from another user who was beta testing another app for me. He found an app in the store, but it did about 30% of the operations that you could do on Azure Storage, and he wanted one that was full featured. So he asked if I could do that. So I found it as a problem and a challenge, and so I developed a full featured app that took care of all the CRUD operations for file shares and containers for Azure Storage. The app helps the average developer and the average storage manager by automating a lot of tasks for like copies, moves, deletes, etc. for massive operations, and it does it relatively quickly. And that's one of the great features of the app, because it leverages the SDKs to do that, and it really helps. For budding entrepreneurs, I would say it always starts with a problem. If you find a problem, or if you have a problem, research it. See if it's been solved before. And if it hasn't, then go from there and begin developing an app that would solve that problem and solve it well. And you would be profitable, and you would become really good at it. But during your research, if you do find an app that somewhat semi-solves the problem, don't become discouraged, because you may be able to develop an app that solves the problem 100% versus the app that only solves it 30 to 40%. Solving it 100% is much better than that. So don't become discouraged if you find a rival app that only does so much when you can do it the whole way. So always start with the problem. My 5-year goal for Azure Simple Storage Manager is to, in the near term, is to adding 2 support, which would make it a complete storage manager, and in the long term is to convert it to .NET MAUI, which is a new framework. It's a Xamarin-informed app currently, and also to take some of the new technology algorithms and controls that I have now for my upcoming app and roll that back into it, and continue moving the app forward as far as design-wise and algorithm-wise, so that it is always new and fresh, and fixing things that could be fixed and made to be improved and work much better over time.